Hi, this is Colin with Electric Avenue. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the computer, the brakes, and the speed shifter on the Gazelle Ultimate C8. So the tools I have with me are the 5mm Allen key and the 3mm Allen key. So first I'm going to show you how to adjust the brakes here. You can see that there's one bolt here that sort of connects it to the handlebar. I've already loosened it, so you can see that I can adjust it here. Now moving on to what position is best for most people. It is partly personal preference, but generally people do like to have it so that the tips of their fingers can sort of are the ones that adjust the actual, or does the actual braking, but such that your hand can just like rest on the brakes or above it when you're when you're not using the brakes. So once I have that set, all you need to do is tighten the bolt down here, approximately hand tight, just enough so that it won't move when you're braking on your ride. And yeah, that's how you adjust the brakes. Pretty simple. And for the speed shifter and for the computer, it is essentially the same process. You just need to have it so that when you're riding, you can see the information very quickly. The only difference really is that you'll be using the 3mm Allen key. So, all that said, that's how you adjust the computer, brakes, and speed shifter on the Gazelle Ultimate C8. Thanks for watching.